Craneed Year 2025 Crane is set to be a groundbreaking period for the crane industry, with technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, and innovative designs taking center stage. As the global demand for infrastructure development continues to rise, crane manufacturers are pushing the boundaries of engineering to meet these needs efficiently and safely. One of the most anticipated developments is the introduction of smart cranes equipped with AI-driven automation. These cranes will feature real-time monitoring systems, predictive maintenance alerts, and autonomous load handling capabilities, significantly reducing human error and improving worksite productivity. Companies like Liebherr, Terex, and Tadano are already testing prototypes, with full-scale production expected by mid-2025. Sustainability is another major focus in the crane industry for 2025. With increasing pressure to reduce carbon emissions, manufacturers are investing heavily in electric and hybrid crane models. These eco-friendly alternatives promise zero emissions on-site and lower operational costs, making them an attractive option for urban construction projects. For instance, Senebogen has unveiled its fully electric crawler crane, which boasts impressive lifting capacity and battery life. Similarly, Craneensures is working on hydrogen-powered cranes, aiming to revolutionize heavy lifting with clean energy solutions. These innovations align with global climate goals and reflect the industry's commitment to a greener future. Safety remains a top priority, and 2025 will see the integration of advanced safety features in cranes. Collision avoidance systems, enhanced load sensors, and AI-powered risk assessment tools will become standard in new models. These technologies not only protect workers but also minimize equipment damage and project delays. Additionally, virtual reality (VR) training programs are being developed to help operators gain hands-on experience in a controlled environment before handling real cranes. This approach is expected to reduce accidents and improve overall operational efficiency. The rental market for cranes is also expanding rapidly, driven by the flexibility and cost-effectiveness it offers to construction firms. In 2025, digital platforms will streamline crane rentals, allowing companies to book equipment online with just a few clicks. These platforms will provide detailed specifications, availability, and pricing, making the process more transparent and efficient. Furthermore, telematics systems will enable rental companies to monitor crane usage remotely, ensuring optimal performance and timely maintenance. Emerging markets, particularly in Asia and Africa, are witnessing a surge in crane demand due to large-scale infrastructure projects. Governments are investing heavily in roads, bridges, and smart cities, creating lucrative opportunities for crane manufacturers and suppliers. China's Belt and Road Initiative, for example, continues to drive the need for high-capacity cranes in multiple countries. Meanwhile, in Africa, urbanization and industrialization are fueling the construction boom, with mobile and tower cranes being in high demand. The future of cranes in 2025 is not just about bigger and stronger machines but also about smarter, cleaner, and safer solutions. As technology evolves, the crane industry is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the infrastructure of tomorrow. From AI-driven automation to sustainable power sources, these advancements will redefine how cranes are used across the globe. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to witnessing these exciting changes in action. Another notable trend in 2025 is the customization of cranes to suit specific project requirements. Manufacturers are offering modular designs that can be easily adapted for different tasks, reducing downtime and increasing versatility. For example, some cranes now come with interchangeable attachments, allowing them to switch between lifting, drilling, and pile driving functions. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for complex projects that require multiple types of equipment. Companies like Manitowoc and Zoomlion are leading the way in this space, with customizable options gaining popularity among contractors. The use of drones in conjunction with cranes is another innovation set to take off in 2025. Drones can conduct site surveys, inspect crane components, and even assist in load positioning, providing a bird's-eye view that enhances precision. This collaboration between drones and cranes not only improves accuracy but also reduces the need for manual inspections, saving time and labor costs. Some advanced drones are equipped with thermal imaging cameras to detect potential mechanical issues before they escalate, further enhancing safety and efficiency. In terms of design, lightweight yet durable materials are being incorporated into crane manufacturing to improve portability and performance. High-strength alloys and composite materials are replacing traditional steel in certain components, reducing the overall weight without compromising strength. This is especially advantageous for mobile cranes, which need to be transported frequently between job sites. Additionally, aerodynamic designs are being tested to minimize wind resistance, allowing cranes to operate more effectively in challenging weather conditions. The role of data analytics in crane operations cannot be overstated in 2025. IoT-enabled cranes generate vast amounts of data, which can be analyzed to optimize performance, schedule maintenance, and even predict potential failures. Cloud-based platforms are being used to store and process this data, providing actionable insights to project managers and operators. For instance, analyzing load patterns can help determine the most efficient lifting strategies, while tracking fuel consumption can lead to cost savings. This data-driven approach is transforming how cranes are managed and maintained. Training and certification for crane operators are also evolving in 2025. With the increasing complexity of modern cranes, operators must stay updated on the latest technologies and safety protocols. Online training modules, augmented reality, AR, simulations, and certification programs are becoming more accessible, ensuring a skilled workforce is ready to handle next-generation cranes. Some companies are even partnering with technical institutes to develop specialized courses, bridging the gap between education and industry requirements. The economic impact of the crane industry in 2025 is expected to be substantial, contributing significantly to job creation and GDP growth in many countries. As construction activities ramp up, the demand for skilled labor, engineers, and support services will rise, providing employment opportunities across the board. Moreover, the export of cranes and related equipment is projected to increase, with emerging manufacturers gaining a foothold in international markets. This global expansion will further solidify the crane industry's role as a key driver of economic development. Looking ahead, the crane industry in 2025 is all about innovation, sustainability, and efficiency. Whether it's through AI, electrification, or advanced materials, cranes are becoming more capable and environmentally friendly than ever before. These developments are not just transforming the construction sector but also setting new standards for industrial machinery as a whole. As we move closer to 2025, the world will be watching closely to see how these advancements unfold and reshape the future of lifting and building. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 crane industry is the potential for fully autonomous cranes. While semi-autonomous features are already in use, researchers are working on cranes that can operate entirely without human intervention. These cranes would rely on a combination of GPS, lidar, and machine learning algorithms to navigate worksites, lift loads, and even make real-time adjustments based on environmental factors. Although fully autonomous cranes are still in the testing phase, their successful implementation could revolutionize large-scale construction projects, particularly in hazardous or hard-to-reach areas. Another area of focus is noise reduction in crane operations. Urban construction sites often face strict noise regulations, prompting manufacturers to develop quieter crane models. Electric cranes inherently produce less noise than their diesel counterparts, but additional sound dampening technologies are being incorporated to further minimize disturbances. For example, vibration-resistant materials and advanced hydraulic systems are being used to reduce operational noise, making cranes more suitable for city environments. The aftermarket for crane parts and services is also expanding in 2025. With the increasing complexity of crane systems, there is a growing need for specialized maintenance and repair services. Companies are offering extended warranties, on-site support, and even drone-assisted inspections to ensure cranes remain in optimal condition. Additionally, the rise of 3D printing is enabling the rapid production of replacement parts, reducing downtime and logistics costs. This shift toward proactive maintenance is helping businesses maximize the lifespan of their equipment. Collaboration between crane manufacturers and software developers is another key trend in 2025. Integrated software solutions are being designed to streamline project planning, crane scheduling, and resource allocation. These platforms allow construction firms to visualize entire projects in 3D, simulate crane movements, and identify potential clashes before they occur. Such tools not only enhance efficiency but also reduce the risk of costly errors during construction. The competitive landscape of the crane industry is intensifying, with new players entering the market and established brands expanding their portfolios. Chinese manufacturers, in particular, are gaining traction globally, offering high-quality cranes at competitive prices. This increased competition is driving innovation and pushing companies to differentiate themselves through unique features, superior customer service, and sustainable practices. In conclusion, the crane industry in 2025 is undergoing a remarkable transformation, driven by technology, sustainability, and a commitment to safety. From AI and automation to electric power and advanced materials, these innovations are setting new benchmarks for performance and efficiency. As the world continues to build and expand, cranes will remain at the heart of this progress, enabling the construction of taller skyscrapers, longer bridges, and smarter cities. The future of cranes is bright, and 2025 is just the beginning of this exciting journey. Stay tuned for more updates as these developments unfold and shape the industry for years to come.